welcome back to the kitchen. So today, you guys, first of all, how's everybody doing? Good, because your girl is back. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to the kitchen. So today, you guys, first of all, how's everybody doing? Good, because your girl is back. Okay, so you guys, today we are doing a little southern cooking. And today we have some baby lima beans that we're going to cook, along with some barbecue ribs, white rice, and hot water bread. So if you're ready for this video, you guys, go grab a snack and come on back. So we're going to start off by sauteing our veggies for our lima beans. So I have some margarine right here. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to melt this on down. And we have our beans already pre-soaked, you guys. So yes, you can pre-soak your beans. I have them already pre-soaked. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and saute these veggies along with some smoked sausage. And I'm using Bob Evans smoked sausage. But we're going to go ahead and get this on in here. Now this is optional, but I wanted a sweet taste to my beans. So you don't have to use sweet peppers or onions or celery, because those are the choices I choose to put in these beans, because I want a good tight pot. Okay, so we're going to put my special blend in here as well. So yes, you guys, do you enjoy lima beans? What is your bean of choice? Because I love a variety of beans, and it's such comfort food that you can enjoy any time of the season. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to add our sausage, because that's the meat we're using. And we're going to let this saute on down. Okay guys, so we got this sweating. And we got it where we need it. We don't want it too soft, because if we want that flavor to get mixed with the beans. So yeah, your girl is going to add her beans. And we're going to add them right on over in this pot. And we're going to go ahead and give this a good stir to get those sausage and everything to mingle in. And we're going to put enough water to cover those. So I'm going to start off with 2 cups of water. You guys keep an eye on that. And I'm using hot water, just enough to cover those beans. And we have our rice water over here. So we're going to go ahead and let this do its thing. So yeah, we're going to cover it. Now our next move is we're going to put us some rice into this water. I don't know the exact measurements. I just know that I submerge it in here, and it's going to be good. So we're going to just go and add all of this. This should make one pot. You guys. Okay, so we got this to boiling. So next move is we're going to cover this leaf with the lid. And we're going to turn this off and let it sit. But meantime, we have some ribs over here just steaming, you know. So yeah, we're going to put some barbecue sauce over there when it's time. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and let this do its thing for right now. So guys, we're going to go ahead and we're going to melt some butter. Because your girl want to make some hot water bread over the stove. So we're going to go ahead and melt some butter down. This is another way to make hot water bread or cornbread in the pan. So this is my cornbread mix, which I have 1 egg, cornmeal, and yeah, some milk. I'm going to go on here and we're going to clean that butter around here because we're going to get it to cooking. We want all of this butter to melt. See, in the kitchen, it's fun for me. It takes my mind off every day problems, issues, you know. I just enjoy cooking, you guys. And I hope you guys enjoy me doing my cooking videos as much as I love doing them. I'm going to put a little bit in here. Because we want that flavor of butter all the way around it. So we're going to set that for here for right now. And we're going to take us some hickory flavored barbecue sauce. And we're going to, meantime, put it over these ribs. And we're going to put the cover back on here. See, that's the good thing about this. You cannot take your eyes off of it. I turn the air down just a little because now it's time to merge my cornbread. Hot water bread, cornbread, it doesn't matter. And we're going to put that over there evenly. We're going to leave that like that. We got these to boiling. And we're going to let these boil for a while with no lid. Maybe about 40 minutes at most. And I'm going to put a cover over the cornbread. Now this is not the proper lid, but we need a cover that's going to reach right over this cornbread so I can get it where it needs to be. Okay? So yeah, we'll be back. Okay, as you guys can tell, I have placed with the roux, with the pots, because now I'm going to go ahead and cut up some of this lemon that I done squoze in here. And we just going to go on and let that give it some flavor, some lemon flavor. Not much, but hey, every little bit helps. Let's check on this cornbread. Yes. It's doing its thing. We're switching areas. Float with me, people. This is my first premiere because that's what I'm doing this video for. I don't even know anything about a premiere, but you need the cornbread to be set, you guys. So we're gonna go on here and we're gonna let that finish cooking. And yeah, when it's ready, we're gonna flip it. Okay guys, we got the cornbread where we need it. And we're gonna go on here and we're gonna flip it. Okay, so our cornbread kind of tore up, but we're going to slide it back in this pan because it's okay. It's still going to get ate. It's still going to get ate, you guys. And that's it. I haven't did this in a while. So yeah. You know it's good once you done messed up a little bit, okay? Just a little bit, nothing major. Nothing major. But anywho, we'll be back. You guys, look at the creaminess on these beans that's beginning to get there. Look at that. You guys, isn't this a good pot? Now, we got it to where we got it. With the cream, finna get ready to come in, the creaminess, gravy, what one may call it. So yeah, your girl is finna go ahead. And we're gonna add a little more hot water to this, just a little. But you say, well, why are you adding a little more hot water? Why? Because now we have not long for these beans to get done. These baby lima beans are so terrific. And I love any type of bean like I stated. But lima bean, yeah, them your girl favorite, okay? So yeah, we're going to put a cover on it at this point. And we're going to let them do their thing. And we'll be back. Okay guys, let's check on these beans. Oh, look at that creaminess again, you guys. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video enough to like, comment, and share. And share this video with any and everyone. Let them know what the girl is doing on this channel. You guys. Does that not look delicious? Now, these beans is still has to cook. Okay, it's not much longer. Let's see. Okay, it's not much longer. And yeah, you guys look at the sweet peppers that's in there, the onion, and the celery has really cooked down to give it that flavor that we all desire. Now I am gonna add just some black pepper to this. Uh-oh, pepper on the floor. Some black pepper. Because we already have my seasoning. And you can use whatever seasoning of your choice. That is optional. So we're going to add up some black pepper in here. And stir that on up. We have everything else done. There go our ribs. Guys, let me reach over here and get a spoon. Guys, let me bring it somewhere in here. I'm gonna go here and flip that on over. Oh my goodness. You guys. You guys, oh, by the way, your girl will be loading all videos up at 9 p.m. Central Time. You guys, so yes, you guys can look for a video from me at 9 p.m. Central Time. I would definitely try to make it one time a day. But if not, you know, I'll let you know when I'm missing. So, yeah, I hope if you're viewing me for the first time, come over, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, come join your girl. Your girl would love to meet you. So let's check on this rice, because we had it sitting up here and look nice and fluffy. You guys, nice and fluffy. And we're just going to go on here and fluff it on out. Uh-oh, rice got away. But that's all you have to do. And you have some good white rice. So we're not going to get all the way down in there. I just wanted to show you guys. And like I said, this is our hot water bread. Let me get some of these spoons up off here. Let me get a napkin. So yes, I hope you guys enjoy this video enough to like, comment, and share with any and everyone. And that's pretty much it. You just watch your beans and get it to the thickness as you like. But thank you guys for tuning in, because I don't want to hold you guys long. Not at all. I really appreciate all the views and all the support that I have been given. And yeah, I'll see you guys back at your channels. Goodbye.